Start our practice in an easy seat, sits bones on the mat, chest is lifted, back is straight. And grab onto your shins if you have the space. Keep holding on to your shins, left arm extended high towards the ceiling. As you exhale, place that palm back behind you, turn to the left shoulder. Sweep that arm back forward towards the sky, towards the ceiling, grabbing onto the shin. Right arm will repeat that motion, sweeping up high towards the ceiling. Placing the palm back behind you, turn to the motion. Sweep that arm forward, come on back to center. Bringing the soles of your feet together, allow your knees to fall out to the side. Starting to work to open up your air thighs. And give the knees a little bounce, adding a dynamic stretch, dynamic motion. And shifting forward ever so slightly on your pelvis, tilt your chest forward. Take a bit of a forward fold leading into the stretch. Shift yourself back, bringing your knees back together to close. Roll over into your tabletop. From tabletop, take your left knee out to the side, take that knee in circles, clockwise, counterclockwise. And keeping that knee in line with your hip, extend from your knee joint. And place the left foot down onto the mat. Press into your palms, lifting left arm up high towards the ceiling. As you exhale, curl it underneath the opening, right? Inhale to lift and extend. Exhale, curl it. Last time, lifting and extending, reaching. And placing that palm back onto the mat. Press into the palm, press into the feet. To lift yourself up, arms reach wide. Take a nice full inhale to lift up high towards the ceiling. Drop your left arm down by your left foot. Right arm reach up and overhead. Take the side stretch here. Exhale to bring both hands back down to the mat. Tuck your right toes under. Send your hips back towards your right heel. Lift your right knee up. You might roll off your mat. Point left toes up towards the ceiling. And decide where your hands need to be for you to feel the stretch the most. Feels a little bit different with both hands on the inside of your legs versus the outside of that bent knee. So you can play around with where your hands need to be for the stretch for you. Gently roll right knee back down to the mat. Bend your left knee, send it back in, rock the hips. Take any motion that you like to before you move on to your right side. Right knee lifts out to the side. And take that knee in circles, clockwise, counterclockwise, getting into the right hip. Let that knee lift it directly in line with your hip, extend out from your knee joint and place that foot onto the mat. Right arm is going to reach up to the ceiling, to the sky, twisting your chest open. And then as you exhale, add some dynamic motion, curling that arm underneath the opening of the left. Reach to lift, extend, exhale, curl. In your last round, reaching up. Placing that palm back onto the mat, tuck your left toes under. Send your hips back towards left heel. That will help you lift the left knee up into space and roll to the right heel. So right toes can point up. Again, where would you like your hands to be for this stretch? Maybe walk them from one side of your mat to the next and notice where you feel the optimal sensation for the inside of your right thigh. Gently lower left knee down to the mat. Bend your right knee back in. Rock your hips. Come to an ease and kneeling seat. Full breath in. The end of our practice for today. Namaste.